kept searching for.
All right, everyone, November is here and it's officially cozy season. The air is crisp, the leaves are turning, and the urge to escape the daily routine for a quick, memorable getaway is stronger than ever. Whether you're craving a mountain cabin or a quaint town filled with fall festivals, there's a perfect spot out there waiting for you. So, you're thinking about planning the perfect weekend getaway, but you're not sure where to start? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know to plan the ultimate weekend escape this fall. From charming destinations to cozy must-haves, this guide has got you covered for a getaway that feels like the perfect autumn day. Warm, relaxed, and filled with little adventures. Step 1. Choose a cozy destination. All right, let's start with the destination. Choosing the right place can make or break the weekend vibe, especially in November, when we're all in search of those warm, comforting autumn feels. Imagine this, Asheville, North Carolina, where you're surrounded by rolling mountains, vivid red and orange leaves, and crisp air. You're just minutes away from a hiking trail or a quaint mountain cafe for hot cider. Or how about the Hudson Valley in New York? Known for its cozy inns, endless autumn festivals, and farmers markets filled with fresh cider donuts. Just picture yourself wrapped up in a scarf, walking through a town square as leaves crunch beneath your boots. For something different, there's Sedona, Arizona. Now, I know what you're thinking, Arizona in November, but hear us out. Sedona's temperatures are way milder this time of year, and those red rock formations against the fall sky are beyond breathtaking. So here's the move. Pick a spot that's not only gorgeous, but easy to reach. You want to maximize your time there, not waste half of it driving or waiting at the airport. Now, let's move on to the next piece of the puzzle. Step 2. Find unique accommodations. Now, it's time to think about where you're actually going to stay. And this part is crucial, because the right place adds that special touch of magic to your trip. Forget the cookie-cutter hotel chain. You want to find a place that adds to the cozy autumn vibe. Think rustic cabins with fireplaces where you can roast marshmallows, tiny homes nestled in the woods, or even a bed and breakfast that feels like stepping back in time. Imagine this. You're snuggled up by a fire in a log cabin, soft wool blanket over your lap, sipping on hot cocoa. Or maybe you're in a small but charming bed and breakfast where the owner bakes fresh bread every morning, and there's always a pot of tea ready for you. Pro tip, look on rental sites for places with fireplaces, mountain views, or cozy nooks. Places like these are guaranteed to set the scene for the relaxing, memorable getaway you're craving this season. Step 3. Embrace local fall activities. All right, so you've got your destination and your accommodations. Now it's time to plan some activities. This is where your trip comes to life, so let's make it special. First up, fall hikes. You can't beat nature walks in November, where the trees are still holding on to those vibrant fall colors, and the air has that crisp, refreshing feel. Look up some trails near where you're staying, or even ask locals for their favorites. Then, check out any local farms. Whether it's apple picking, pumpkin patches, or a fall harvest festival, these places are perfect for diving into that fall spirit. Plus, farms often have little markets where you can grab fresh apple cider, pumpkin bread, or homemade jams. Imagine bringing home a basket of farm-fresh goodies. Talk about taking a piece of the trip with you. If you're in a wine region, book a tasting at a vineyard. Imagine sipping on a rich, local red while overlooking a field of vines dressed in autumn colors. Wine tastings are an amazing way to unwind, and November is perfect for it. The crowds are gone and it's just you, the view, and a glass of something delicious. Lastly, don't miss out on any local events. Many towns have holiday markets or small festivals as we get closer to Thanksgiving, and they're a perfect way to support local artisans and pick up unique holiday gifts or decor. Step 4, pack for comfort and warmth. All right, let's talk packing. There's an art to packing for a cozy weekend getaway, especially in November. Think warmth, comfort, and just a little bit of style. Let's break it down. First up, layers. Go for soft sweaters, cozy scarves, and a nice warm coat. You want to be able to add or remove layers as needed, especially if you're moving between indoors and the chilly fall air. Footwear? Comfortable weatherproof boots are essential. Nothing ruins a great hike or a walk around town like soggy, uncomfortable shoes, so go for boots that can handle a bit of everything, from trails to sidewalks. And here's a small but pro-level tip. Bring a cozy blanket. Yes, it sounds a little over the top, but trust us. Use it for wrapping up by a campfire, or even drape it over yourself on a scenic overlook for the perfect Insta pic. Don't forget a good insulated mug for hot drinks on the go and maybe a small scented candle. It sounds small, but it makes your space feel warm and personalized. Step 5. Plan for relaxation and unplugging. All right, now this is where a lot of us get it wrong on trips. Overscheduling. Don't do it. A perfect weekend getaway in November is about recharging, so make sure to leave space for some good old-fashioned relaxation. Imagine waking up, brewing a fresh cup of coffee, and just sitting by the window, watching the world wake up with you. Bring a book you've been dying to read, or bring a journal. Write down your thoughts, the scenery, anything that makes this trip feel special. Disconnect from social media for a bit. Instead, listen to your favorite music or even some nature sounds, whatever helps you unwind. Board games are a fantastic addition too, if you're with friends or family. There's something classic and comforting about an evening spent playing games and just being present. Remember, you're here to rest. Let your mind and body unwind from the daily grind and just soak in the slower pace. Step 6. Capture the experience. Lastly, capture the experience, but don't let it dominate the weekend. You want to keep memories, not distractions. Here's a fun idea. Pack a disposable camera or an instant camera. There's something magical about snapping a photo without the urge to scroll through a screen right after. Plus, the results are like little surprise gifts when you get them developed. If you're going on a hike or exploring a new town, snap a few nature shots or take a few candid videos to remember the little moments. You could even make a small video journal, documenting what you did, how you felt, and what the experience meant to you. And remember, it's about balance. Capture a few moments, then put the camera down and be in the moment. That way, you'll have a mix of memories, both saved on film and held in your heart. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to planning the ultimate November weekend getaway. From choosing a destination and finding that perfect little cabin to exploring local activities and taking time to relax, you're all set to make it an unforgettable trip. The beauty of a November getaway is that perfect blend of coziness, relaxation, and a hint of adventure. Whether you're sipping wine in the Hudson Valley, hiking through Asheville's scenic mountains, or cozying up by the fire in Sedona, make sure to enjoy every single moment. Now go pack your bags, hit the road, and embrace all the magic that fall has to offer. Don't forget to let us know where you are heading in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more travel content. Until next time, safe travels!